Good evening and welcome to Let's Travel Caribbean for this week. Up next is Tourism Spotlight, and inside our spotlight, Courtyard by Marriott. Located in the heart of the corporate district of New Kingston, Jamaica, modern and ideally situated Courtyard by Marriott Kingston offers 129 appointed guest rooms, including 4 luxury suites. The Kingston Hotel makes room for both leisure and business travelers. The state-of-the-art lobby provides flexible spaces where you can work or relax in an aesthetically appealing and comfortable setting. But what really is their secret to delivering service excellence? As General Manager David Nava explains, they're not only focused on their external clients, but they're big on catering to their internal clients or associates, who in turn extend the warmth and hospitality to all visitors.
We, international brand, we very worry about their service. We send a survey to all our guests, and they give us the feedback for our guests is very, very important, because in that way we can really know if we're doing things correctly. We need to do something better. But service is a good point, so we work very hard with our team. In Marriott, our philosophy is we need to take care of our associates as we can take care of our guests. So associates is as important as our guests. So we do a very big programs during the year to train, to motivate, to engage. We use the word engage. So we celebrate Mother's Day, Children's Day, Father's Day. Of course, we're planning now Christmas. It's exciting, even that it's July, but we want to start to think about that. We have, as a company as well, we have 2 or 3 special weeks during the year that we call the Appreciation Week. For example, we have the General Appreciation Week, which is in the first quarter of the year, where we appreciate and we do lunches, we do some activities that we give some tokens to always try to keep our people engaged with our company. And then we have weeks for different disciplines. As in September, we're going to have our Housekeeping Appreciation Week, where we can appreciate the work and we recognize the work for all our housekeeping department and engineering department as well. Those are the main activities that we use to really engage. Training is very important as well. We, as a Marriott, we have a good platform where we have a lot of trainings. Even you can have training from your area, but you can also have training for other areas. It's a very self-program that you can choose what you want to do. Of course, the company and the human resources, they make program for some of the training, but also you can go there, spend all the time that you wanted to really find out what other disciplines. Also, we have a good program through this platform that we call MGS, Marriott Global System, that we have connections with how to manage stress, how to be resistant. Resilience, you said, about all this situation that we're living, how we can manage that situation. So emotional training, we can call that help us to put in order your ideas and to affront all this situation that we have been living. Right now, 3 of our employees, they went to Barbados to have a good training about service. Exactly, we call the Great Summit Service, and they having tips to how we can improve service ideas. We call best practices that we share between hotels. Say, well, the hotel in Barbados is doing this and it can work, so we can try to implement here. Or Courtyard Kingston is doing XYZ. We give it as a best practice to the other properties, and they're trying to implement, very much according with the culture of the country, the market that we have, because each country we have, or each hotel we have a different segments, so we try to implement with that. So that's the way that we try to keep our service and our people trained and our people motivated.
Now, underscoring the sentiments regarding care for staff was guest environment expert or houseman at the property, Winston Douglas.
The way managers treat staff, they put us first. They treat us very well so that it trickles down to the guests. We treat the guests as well as how they treat us. We are well paid, and they very much look after us. Most of our needs are met. When we work, we have the tools to do the work, so we can perform our job properly. Yeah, I enjoy working for this company. I've been working here since the pandemic, about a year and so I was off, but it's about 4 years I've been working here, and it's real good. I would recommend this company to anybody. We have a lot of activities more time. We have take cares, we have health fair that people come in. We had an exercise group was going, somebody from on the outside come in and they train us up. People do exercise. I think it was from 2 days a week. They used to come in and do that. We have sports day. We play cricket, football, athletics. We have a sport day where we do that. We have different houses, red house, blue house, different. We have a domino tournament where we take part. End of the year we have Christmas party. During certain times of the year we have associate month, which is for us where they treat us really good. We have lunch and we give special gifts and lunch and things like that. There's a lot of things going on here that really motivate us to work and to do our job at our best ability. So it's really good.
Now, according to Special Corporate Coordinator Samantha Myers, the Courtyard prides itself on setting a high standard for staff satisfaction and development. The brand's model, she says, is characterized by a culture of inclusivity that fosters and encourages growth and leadership open to all staff members, which in turn encourages the team members to serve clients at the highest possible level. Each staff member is encouraged to grow to their highest level, and with a brand that has 1,200 hotels globally, the sky is the limit. That's all the time we have today for Tourism Spotlight, and as a matter of fact, for Let's Travel Caribbean. Join me again, same time, same place next week as we bring you more happenings and highlights on Let's Travel Caribbean. I'm Stacey Ann Delavante.